Nick here with the Silent Extreme. We came out to the gun range today to see what real shooters think about the new Glock 17 airsoft gun. Let's give it a try. Shoots good. Feels just like a Glock. Let's see what some other people think about it.
It's fun to shoot. Makes me want one.
How's it compared to the real deal? Like, you think it'd be a good training tool?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I got a Glock 17 with me today.
Do you?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a great training tool.
Awesome. Thank you.
Sight's pretty right on. I mean, it just shoots. I'm using the sights. I'm not watching the airsoft pellet. It's getting a little bit of
It's just
back spray on it.
It's the oil. There's a lot of
it's
oil.
oil.
Yeah, there's the lubricants in the gas.
Felt just like a Glock 17. I mean,
It's right there, right?
yeah, it's right there. That's a pretty good replica, or whatever you want to call it, training tool for sure. I like the way the slide cycles. It's pretty realistic. Trigger, pretty close to Glock trigger. But I like Glock triggers. So
Yeah. Thanks,
yeah,
Jeff.
get one. Yeah, you're welcome.